Scan results are nominal. No deformations detected on the Z-axis.
Volume matches the required specs. We are cleared to proceed.
As you can see, the green indicates solid material plating with armor plate. I'm seeing minute crystalline irregularities right here.
Yes, that section won't meet the requirements for Process A.
The residual stress has been relieved. The map is reading green.
Excellent. Move to the next phase. The hydraulic press consolidates the Tyal alloy, optimizing the grain flow to absorb high-velocity impacts.
The Z-10's armor undergoes precise dimension verification. Laser micrometers scan the surface before the...
Automated nozzles spray specialized solvents, followed by a low-energy plasma field that micro-etches the metallic surface, creating...
Monitor the pressure alignment closely for Process A.
It's holding the contour perfectly, proceeding to the next layer.
coordinate measuring machine performs a final dimensional check, verifying the armor plate meets the exact specifications for the Z-10 airframe.
The laser etching is complete. Verify the QC stamp.
Looks good. Data matches the component ID.
Easy on the starboard side, clear the frame. Okay, copy that. Let's get this VCI off carefully now.
Precision manufacturing ensures a perfect fit, maintaining the ballistic integrity and structural load transfer of the cockpit.
Process A. Ballistic armor completion confirmed.
The CNC machine now running fine ultra-critical child.
A high-precision laser probing system verifies the component's geometry, compensating for thermal drift. This ensures
Inches. A robotic arm uses an optical measuring system to verify the pitch and depth of every threaded hole. These The Z-10 sensor mast structural frame undergoes initial system integration as technicians install mock components.
Last latch clear, stand by for lift.
Confirm. Crane. Easy lift on the mast assembly.
The TIAL structural frame is slowly lowered onto the roof platform. Workers meticulously guide the frame, ensure
Maintain slow speed, approaching the holding point now.
Copy that. Braking initiated. Clear to proceed.
Structural integrity check complete. Tapping the frame. Lenses are spotless.
Confirmed, pilot. Process B product is flight ready.
The structural frame rotates platform, allowing the sensors to maintain a lock.
Returning to base after the successful flight envelope test, the sensor mast integration remains perfectly rigid, demonstrating the reliability of the new mounting system. Sensor mast integration is dimensionally perfect. No stress fractures detected. The report is clear.
This wide final shot highlights the advanced engineering of the Z-10. The sensor to mast integration is